Welcome to this video in which I am going to discuss the peculiar use of the word enough. First of all, this word enough falls into three categories, and they are enough as a determiner, enough as a pronoun, and enough as an adverb. So, first, let us have a look at what is a determiner. This is again Oxford Learners Dictionaries. Determiner. What is a determiner? A word such as the, some, my, etc. that comes before a noun to show how the noun is being used. So you can say that a determiner functions like an adjective, but it is not exactly an adjective. Okay, so let us look at the first example, enough as a determiner. They ordered enough food for 5 people. Here the word enough is being used before the noun food. Therefore, enough is being used as a determiner. We will have a look at other examples also. Again, this is powered by Oxford Lexico. Enough determiner. There is too much work and not enough people to do it. Enough being used before the noun people. He did just enough studying to pass his exams. Studying is a gerund. Here it is not a verb, so be careful. It is not that if he is studying, there studying is a verb. He did just enough studying to pass his exams. There will be time enough to tell you when we meet. We will come back to such a sentence later on. There is more than enough work to be done implementing existing policies. Again, enough is being used before a noun, that is verb. Now, second category of enough. Second category is pronoun. Let us look at this category, enough as a pronoun. They ordered more than enough for 5 people. Now here you see in the first example, when we used enough as a determiner, they ordered enough food. Now enough is coming before the noun food, therefore it is a determiner. Now here they ordered more than enough. So here enough is not followed by any noun, therefore it is a pronoun. Even if you remove more than, it makes no difference. They ordered enough for 5 people. So here you are using enough as a pronoun. Third category, enough as an adverb. Now let us look at enough as an adverb. At the time, he wasn't old enough to vote. Now you see here, it clearly says to the required degree or extent, and in bracket you see used after an adjective, adverb or verb. We will look at all the three categories, all the three examples. So here, at the time he wasn't old enough. Now old is an adjective. Here enough is coming after the adjective old, which is different from enough as a determiner, which comes usually before a noun. Old enough. Let us look at other examples. So enough as an adverb. This house is big enough for 5 people. Here we are using the word enough after the adjective, that is big. Second example, he ran fast enough to win the race. Here enough is being used not after an adjective but adverb. And what is that adverb? He ran fast. Fast is an adverb. Now look at The third category, he studied enough to pass the exam. Here, enough is not used after either an adjective or an adverb, but a verb which is studied. So he studied enough to pass the exam. So here you are using enough as an adverb. Now we are going to look at the idiomatic use of enough. And for that, I take you to this dictionary. As you can see, my cursor, Macmillan Dictionary. Now let us read it. Enough is sometimes used after particular nouns, but this is not common. Mind you, at the outset I told you that enough, when used as a determiner, it is used before nouns, but here it is after the nouns. But clearly this is not common. That is why I said it is a kind of idiomatic use of the word enough. Examples are, don't ask questions. There will be time enough for that later. Time is a noun. But enough is not coming before the noun time, but after. There will be time enough for that later or later on. Look at the second example. He had reason enough to be angry. Again, reason is a noun. He had reason enough. But mind you, the sentence is not he had reasons enough. No, he had reason enough to be angry. That means his anger was justified. So it says he had a good reason to be angry. Third example, I was fool enough to trust her. It was foolish of me to trust her. Mind you, what is peculiar about it is that usually enough should have come after the adjective foolish. Foolish is an adjective, but here you can't use foolish. Here you are using fool, which is an idiomatic expression. I was fool enough. Fool is a noun. I was fool enough to trust her. So I hope that you find it helpful, and while using the word enough, it will be clear in your mind you are using it, whether you are using it as a determiner, or you are using it as a pronoun, or you are using it as an adverb. And if you are using it as an adverb, then you should be clear whether this enough adverb is coming after an adjective, here it is big, or whether it is coming after an adverb which is fast. So you can say that adverbs are repeated. Fast is also an adverb, enough is also an adverb. Or whether you are using enough after a verb, like here, he studied enough to pass the exam. So until our next video, bye.